Yo, yeah, magic shoes dust.
Yeah, man, me have money there, man.
How much for it?
Yeah, 1,020, $10. No, sorry, man. Yo, my general, magic shoes dust are one dangerous.
You chat too much, man. Send me something, man. You chat too much. So much.
But forget $10.
Hey, man. Chop. And give back my chain. Oh, wait, man.
Good, man, good.
Come on, man. Look up in here. $10 bill star.
Yo, watch out. Come tell this to me, what? Come tell this game to me.
Yeah, trust you.
Watch out, my youth.
What?
Come tell this.
Yeah, idiot, you think you can come me? No, I don't trust you.
Come in, come.
Yeah, I'll come. Me not come. What?
Come before my youth.
What?
Come in, man.
I don't trust you.
Watch out, feet.
What?
Look, no, man.
Ahora.
You?
Yeah, I'll come.
Me not come, you watch it now.
Oh! Hungry no man. Babes.
Hello.
What going? You alright?
Yeah man, alright you?
Yeah. You know said me they hungry though.
Yeah man, at them time they alone they come when hungry.
With the business where you want to
But
say.
it's alright.
You cook?
And yes, I cook our.
So what you cook?
Some white rice, whole butter dog. Nice stew peas.
You know say me not hungry though. Me never that hungry, you know.
Yes, it's alright. Just make sure you're not come about.
You have some plastic rice over here. I'm just spot a black dog. Me eat a pay later.
Introduce you guys to Jesus. And they left the poor baby. Oh God. God bless the baby. Come, go inside. Come. Oh God. Don't cry.
One already. Half a tree. Yeah, one already. Yo, my general, I make a turn off right now. What did I eat that, man? Yo!
Magic shoes dust. Danger! Best time to try this, you know.